Hello, hi. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, can I know your name, please?
I'm Gautam. I study at Allen HSR.
Okay, before going in for this, how much did you score in NEET 2025 as well as your All India rank together?
I scored 596 and my All India rank is 1684.
That's amazing. And let's have a few questions so that it will be useful for the NEET 2025 aspirants also. So, which one did you find it difficult during your examinations?
Physics was especially challenging with a lot of questions being very long. So if you timed your questions properly, then you could score well. It all depends on your time management mainly.
So, how much time does a student take it for one specific subjects like physics, chemistry, and biology? Especially this particular year has actually made us a little bit. The strategy has changed. So, how much can they spend time if the paper is going to be kind of tougher?
It's always advised to start with bio first so that you can get all your marks, then move on to chemistry and then move on to physics. It's better if you finish biology within half an hour so that you can allocate more time to physics. Ideally, you should take 1 to 1.5 hours for physics and half an hour to 1 hour for chemistry.
That is perfect. And how exactly Alan helped you in your preparation, whether it comes to a study materials or the faculty or the app that you have or the mock test that you have actually taken? How exactly Alan helped you in your preparations basically?
Alan organized a lot of mock tests, so I had almost one test every day, so that gave me a lot of practice. And my teachers at Allen HSR are also very good for all the subjects, so they all helped me prepare well. And if I had any doubts, I could approach them at any time to ask the doubts. And moreover, all the tests they give your improvement list as well, so you know where you went wrong and you can act accordingly and practice those subjects more. So if you act on your weak area, you should be able to improve your score.
How many mock tests can a student take?
That depends on how fast you finish your portions. If you finish your portions by March, you can take well over 50 to 70 mock tests.
How about the study materials and the Alan app basically helped you?
The study material provided by Alan is more than enough. The app is really useful. You can customize your own quizzes for each topic, and that's really useful.
Were the analysis good for you to actually navigate through your preparations?
Yeah, they were very useful. I used them to analyze my weak topics, and I could practice more questions based on that.
So, when I have to talk about physics, the major part is how exactly to tackle the mistakes. So, what strategy did you use to actually tackle those mistakes specifically?
Yeah, ideally it would be better if in the first attempt itself you could get all the questions right, because if you mess up, then it's harder for you to come back and correct it. It's harder to find the mistakes. So ideally when you're solving it itself, be careful, make no mistakes and double check your answer once before marking it.